Home Remedies presents
Fake olive oil. Do this simple test at home. When it comes to health of our body, there is nothing quite like extra virgin olive oil. Look at its purity. Extra virgin olive oil has many medicinal and healing properties. Let's review the physiological effects it can have within your body. Towards the end, I will share how you can tell that your olive oil is truly extra virgin. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. For your heart, cardiovascular system and arteries, these healthy fats in extra virgin olive oil reduce bad LDL cholesterol while maintaining or increasing good HDL cholesterol. This balance is crucial in lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. The antioxidant content in extra virgin olive oil, specifically polyphenols, plays a significant role in reducing inflammation, the root cause of most chronic diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and autoimmune problems. Regarding brain health, the high concentration of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, and its wealth of antioxidants like polyphenols play a crucial role in protecting neurons and enhancing cognitive function. Oleic acid helps maintain the integrity of cell membranes and supports the efficient transmission of nerve impulses in the brain. Polyphenols help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Extra virgin olive oil also supports digestive health by stimulating bile production, which is crucial for digesting fats. It promotes the secretion of pancreatic hormones that aid in food absorption, improving overall digestive health. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil has a mild laxative effect, helping with regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Extra virgin olive oil can aid in weight management. Its healthy fats promote satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. It also benefits bone health, as the polyphenols help preserve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, particularly in postmenopausal women. The test. To determine whether the extra virgin olive oil you have is genuine, here's what you need to do. Take a glass and pour extra virgin olive oil into it. Place it in the refrigerator overnight at around 5 degrees Celsius. Within 12 hours or even longer, notice if it becomes cloudy. The monounsaturated fats in authentic extra virgin olive oil become more solid, causing the oil to get cloudy. This indicates purity. If the oil remains clear, it may contain other oils like canola, vegetable, or soybean oil. To support your findings, look for certifications on the extra virgin olive oil labels such as PDO or PGI and guarantee the oil's quality and authenticity. Freshness is essential. Always check the harvest date and aim to consume the oil within about a year. One tip: when you drink extra virgin olive oil from glass, you will experience a tingling or burning sensation in your throat, which is a sign of its powerful antioxidants. Most people love sauteing with extra virgin olive oil, but nothing beats enjoying it as is on salads, tomatoes, or simply drinking it. This way, you will gain the maximum health benefits from its antioxidants.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.